Hi, I'm Ruby from Ruby's Bedtime Stories. Happy Easter! I hope you've had a good day. Did you get lots of chocolate? Today I'm going to read Easter Bunny Blunders. Can Easter be saved? The author of this book is JAYBIE D, and the author, children, is the person who writes the book. And the illustrator is also JAYBIE D, and the illustrator is who draws and colours in the lovely pictures in books. This book has been sent to me from Austin in Texas, which is one of the states in the USA. In a burrow so cosy, where magic was spun, lived Bryson the bunny, who made Easter fun. His basket was special, a magical door that led to his workshop with baskets galore. Hi, I'm Philip. Count how many times you see me in the pages. I guess we'll have to look out for Philip. Just reach inside, through the bottom he'd go, to pull out a basket for each child to know. Have you spotted Philip? He's there. One fateful day, McKinley made a splash. The magic inside made a flicker, then crash. Fizz and whoosh, zing plop, psh. The basket's bright glow faded away. How would Bryson save Easter Day? Have you found Philip? He's right there. Bryson rushed to his cousin, inventive and smart, Bentley the bunny with a big, caring heart. Don't worry, said Bentley. We'll find a way. My drones will deliver baskets. Up, up, and away! Drones flew high, with baskets in tow, zipping along, all baskets in a row. Some sparkled with glitter, others shone bright, filled with yummy treats. It was a magical sight. I see Philip. Some drones, so clumsy, zigged and zagged. Some bumped into trees and others dragged. Boingity boing boing! Children woke up, thinking UFOs flew. They tugged on their parents. Look, it's all true! A dad, in his slippers, tripped over some shoes. Thud youch! And Mom called the cops with the wildest news. Yes, I said UFOs! I see Philip again. He's right down there. Bryson sighed, feeling pressure all day. This isn't working. I need a new way. Amid the chaos, his thoughts grew clear, recalling Mum's words from yesteryear. Their joy is the way, she'd always say, to keep magic alive on Easter Day. Have you found Philip? I have. It's there. That's it! They closed their eyes and whispered so low. Dear children, believe, let your happiness show. Your joy fuels the magic and keeps Easter bright. Please share it this Easter and make it all right. Now it's your turn to help. I've spotted Philip. He's there. All right, now let's help. Okay. Wave your hands in the air. Now with your feet. Bring back each Easter's magic to the basket complete. With giggles and wiggles, the magic will flow to bring back the Easter joy we all know. Now, say this with me. Giggle snort, wiggle whoop, hee hoot. The basket is glowing from all your cheer. Easter magic saved the best time of year. You did it! Take a bow. Quickly now, the sun's almost here. Hop away fast, the morning is near. Have you found Philip? He's right there. Let's go. That morning brought confusion and surprise all around. But don't worry, all the goodies were quickly found. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the book. And a big thank you to JAYBIE D for sending me this lovely book. Now children, can I ask you one question? Do you like my Easter bunny? Thank you. Bye.